Have you ever found yourself stuck with the same videos for hours and now you want to learn how to create those? Well, this video might be perfect for you because I'm going to show you how to loop videos just by using Canva. So first, head on to your Canva account and open your design. Or you can start with a blank video canvas. You can find these by typing video in the search bar. Now, once your canvas opens, head over to Uploads or Videos from the side panel to drag a video onto your timeline. Now, if you want to loop this video multiple times, just click the video on the timeline, then head over to the Edit toolbar right here, and under the Playback section, click on the switch to make your video play over and over again. This is perfect for portfolios that contain videos in them. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell down there to stay updated whenever we upload something new. And that's it. That's how you loop videos in Canva for free and make your visuals more dynamic. I'll see you in our next video.